Hello guys, today we'll be doing question 169, majority element. The question is, given an array nums of size n, return the majority element. The majority element is the element that appears more than n divided by 2 times. You may assume that the majority element always exists in the array, which means that the array will have at least one value in there. So example here, input nums equal to 3 to 3, the output is 3, because 3 is the element that occurs the most. So the majority element is pretty much the element or the number that is most frequent in the array. So here the output is 2, 2 appears 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and 1 appears 3 times. The way we're going to do this is by using a map where we count the frequency of each element. So we input the element as the key and we count the frequency as the value. So every time we come across it, we increment the frequency. And then we sort the map based on the frequency and return the first value. So let me show you how we do it here. So here we have an array. As you can see, the most frequent element is 3, but we're going to loop for it starting from the first position. So I is equal to 0. So we have 3 first. So is it 3 in the map? No, so we set it in the map with a value of 1, which is the frequency. Then we increment I again. I is now 1, so we are at 2. Is 2 in the map? No. So we add it to the map. We set a frequency of 1. That should come across it one time. Then we increment I, go to the next value. I is now 2. We are at 3. Is 3 in the map? Yes. So we increment it. Increment to 2. Then we increment I again. I is now 3. We're at 1. Is 1 in the map? No. So we add it to the map with a value of 1. So that's our returned array. So we'd have to sort it. Again, it's already sorted by frequency, so I'm not going to show you how to do it. But we are here. This is the most frequent one. So we'll just return the first value, which is 3. 3 is the most frequent element. So we'd have to sort this, and we can't sort a map. So we have to turn this to an array and sort it by the frequency. So now the array will be equal to an array of 3 and 2, an array of 2 and 1, and an array of 1 and 1. And then we'd have to return the first value of the array and the first array and the first value of the array, which will return the most frequent element, which will be 3. Let me show you how it's done. So the first thing we do, of course, is we create a map and set it as a new map. Then we loop through the array. So for let I is equal to 0, as long as I is smaller than nums.length, I plus plus. Then we check if the map will set the value as if map. So that we'll set as the key as the current number. So nums I, and if it exists, we set it as the current value, so map dot get nums I. Else, if it doesn't exist, 0 plus 1. Okay, we've got a mistake here. Nums I. Okay, so we set the key as the number, and if it exists, we increment it by 1. Otherwise, we set a 0 plus 1, which is 1. That counts our frequency. Now we have to return the first value, but we can't sort. Well, we have to sort it first, and we can't sort the map. So we have to turn it into an array to use the sort method. So we'll create let new map is equal to array dot from map. So that gives each value in the array, each key value as one array. So then we sort it by A and B, and as each key and value is an array, we get the key. So A1, it has to be from biggest to largest. We sort from B1, so the value minus A1. I have to sort it by frequency. And then we return the new map with the first array and the key, which is the number. So it gets the most frequent number and returns the key. So let's run and see if that passes. Let's try again on a network error. As you can see, it passes. Let's submit. And as you can see, this is one of the top of the fastest run times. This is time complexity of O(n) log n, as O(n) for looping through the whole array, and then log n for sorting it. And this is a space complexity of also O(n), as we're storing the whole array worst case. Thanks for watching.